What's up everyone, this is the RMI Productions, and today I'm gonna unbox and review a new product that I buy. So guys, before we start unboxing and reviewing this product, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell below to notify all of my upcoming future videos in my channel. So guys, before we start, let's get to the intro first. So guys, here we are and we're gonna unbox a new unboxing video. So this is gonna be great, and we're gonna have to start. So guys, this is the new product that I buy in an online shop. So so excuse me. So this is a flashlight, and then it's a USB rechargeable, and we're gonna unbox it now. This I buy from Lazada on not Shopee. So I'm sorry for my voice. And so this is the item, and we're gonna open it again. So just be careful to unbox the item. So here it is, guys. So it has a what is this? It has a, whoa, nice, huh? So it comes with a, what is this called, a case. So there's a case, and you can see there is the when, and then the specs of it. So XPE plus UOB light, energy saving, waterproof, and explosion proof, USB rechargeable supported, and it comes with a what is this, uh, mode of the coin, and also made in China, mode. So here it is. So this is the flashlight. So nice, huh? So here we have the, yes, look at that. Okay, and okay. So this is the police 1000 police 12,000 watt. So 12,000 watt is the, or this one, and there's the micro USB port here, and also the charging cable, also the micro USB port. So lot of people here in Philippines still uses micro USB, because the technology is not yet been, it's not been yet, what is this called, what has not been yet been do into that USB type C. So it's still on what is this called, micro USB. So let's try this use micro USB cord instead of the original micro USB cord of this uh, flashlight. So as you can see, there's a red. So it is charging. So you can see there's a charging on it. You can see the red, see, it is charging. So you can see it in here. There's also a, what is this called, input. So the input is X1. So 5 millimeter input and output. So X1, X250, X500, X1000, and X2000. So zoom, There's also a zoom on it, so I think okay, I get it. So let's try. Okay, so let's try it on. Let's try. So you can see that there's a big circle on that. So this is the sample, and then let's try another one. So that was the blinking, and also there is also the LED in here. So just for pick up some items that you cannot find. So this is the LED on it. So let's try the other one. So let's try to zoom if it is working. Zooming. Okay, look at that. So the light comes, and, and that one. So I don't know what is that. So that was this is the slowest. This is the lowest mode of all. So if you will turn it back, and then bigger and bigger, so it goes like that, and then it goes bigger and bigger and bigger. So that was the mode. So if you want to not so, so if you want the not so mode, you can see like that, as you can see like that. Okay, so you can still put that in that. So and then fine. So but I have to charge it fully so that I can use this. So that's it, guys. This is the So guys, that was the review, or that was the unboxing and review of the USB flashlight that I buy in an online shop. And also thank you for watching this video, this unboxing and review, and I am hoping that you'll enjoy it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel again, and click the notification bell below to notify all of my upcoming videos in this channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video.